Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit deep brown filters using Lightroom Mobile.
Here are example photos before and after using this filters.
I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before.
The preset download link in description.
How can I love when I've been hurt?
So let's start photo editing.
For you I give it one more chance. Turn away and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
Original upload by Crazy Editing. Don't re-upload the videos and presets.
You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I give it one more chance.
Now let's try to copy this preset for another photo.
and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
When feelings get involved, I'm terrified.